Hello friends, welcome back to another process video. Today I am so excited to be working up a project for the Cardstock Warehouse blog, and I am working for the first time with my Cinch tool. This is the Heidi Swapp Cinch tool that I ordered from Hobby Lobby, and I'm working up a cute little booklet for the season. I really wanted to kind of create sort of like a notebook where I could come in through the whole season of fall, gather up supplies, gather up leaves that I find outside, my photos, little notes here and there, to fill it up and kind of create sort of a bucket list book. There's a few things we love doing as a family during the fall time, so that is what this book is all about. Kind of to gather in all the bits and pieces of the season into one book. And because I'm on the Cardstock Warehouse design team, I get to share this project with you guys, and I get to play with all the gorgeous papers. So the other focus of this project is the papers that I'm using. There's so many nice, gorgeous papers that you can find in the shop that go well with the theme of fall. And so that's really what I'm here to share with you today. I'm going to show you how I'm able to cinch this together and how fun it is and quick and easy it is to make this book. If you don't have a cinch tool, I do want to invite you to still try and make a book like this, because there's different ways for you to bind the book. My focus is just simply to use my brand new tool, but you can have so many ways to create the same type of book. You can create sort of like an accordion binding. You can also just use some good old binder rings to put everything together and hold it into one place. I'm showing you each of the unique sheets in this book. They are all cardstock, and I did cut out a few leaves that really I just stitched super easily on there with one line of stitching with my sewing machine. That was it. And I'm gonna get started on binding this thing. So you have to purchase these coils here. I also found these at Hobby Lobby, and they're fairly cheap. You get 4 of these large ones for just less than $5, and you can use a coupon. So I literally paid $2.50 for these 12-inch coils. I think they're 12-inch. So you'll need those to hold your papers together. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing here. The little side here has the holder that's going to hold everything in place for you. Just as a tip, I wanted to let you guys know that if you guys add your back cover to the top of the front cover, it'll give you the perfect binding to hold your book together without any papers slipping or falling out. This is a tip that I learned from Heidi Swapp in her videos, so I'm just taking the pros tip here and spreading the word. You can see here I did have some leaves attached there with that type of fabric you see right here. Those are actually some leaves I found at the dollar store. They had this like vine on it, and I just ripped that off and stacked 2 together and stitched them together. And that's how I got those leaves in there for some nice contrast. Now, when you're using a brand new tool, please use the instruction booklet. I tried to kind of just wing it, and then I realized I really had to bring in the booklet. And what I shared right now was the coils you can find at the Hobby Lobby. So now that I have everything in, now I get to press down on the cincher in the back of the tool. This one, you have to kind of measure how closed you want it, because you could have just like a big book. You could see I still have a little bit of space, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up, and then I'm gonna squeeze it again, and that, my friends, has cinched and binded my notebook. I am so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and flip through this. I will be filling it in and be sharing more of it on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram at alltheneffiness, and I'll keep sharing how I feel in this book. I'm gonna be using it for the next few months until winter comes along. So Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and here are some close-ups for you guys. And if you are interested, you can check out the full blog post to this project with all the details and some more close-ups on the Cardstock Warehouse blog, which I have linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye now.